In today's video, we're talking about cutting with the all-new BaBylissPRO FXONE Gold Series. I'll be doing a skin fade crop only using this set. Whether you're a pro barber or a hairstylist, this is something you don't want to miss and surely want to understand. This is Huey, and this is a grown-out crop from a few weeks back. I'm going to keep to the same style, add a fade, and lighten the top so it doesn't feel as wide. First, let's talk about the Gold FX trimmer. The blades are zero gap adjustable, allowing users to find the perfect alignment that they feel comfortable with, allowing you to work incredibly close to the skin. This is crucial, especially when connecting the toughest line of the fade from the foil shaver. It's not just about precision, it's about the versatility of tackling bulk removal and detailed edge ups with the same tool. This trimmer is an absolute essential for any barber's toolkit. What I find really nice when I'm using this is the barbell body. It allows me to comfortably rotate this to any angle that I need. The FXONE battery gives this trimmer a 3.5-hour runtime with 7,200 RPM cutting speed. This won't slow down for anything. Moving on to the Gold FX Stick Shaver. This is where smooth meets versatility. The double foil head is perfect for that ultra close shave, but what I love most is its swivel head feature. It's incredibly useful when I'm working under the chin, letting the tool follow the contours of the face. Then with a simple adjustment, you can lock it in place, making it ideal for creating precise skin guidelines in your fades. It's details like these that make a huge difference in your work. You get 10,000 RPMs and a 4.5-hour runtime on a full charge. Lastly, let's talk about the Gold FX Clipper. Its performance is top-notch, featuring a new N1 motor, allowing this to be a very quiet, powerful, and smooth clipper. With the new precision MIM blade and extended lever, you get an unmatched cutting accuracy. You also get the 5 locking detents. This makes fading not just easy, but precise and consistent. It's a system that you can rely on when you go through your fades. Similar to the original Gold FX Clipper, this has a shorter handle with a beveled edge finish. This blade is also zero gap adjustable. That means you're getting the absolute best from your investment. It's important to fully understand how each tool works, and with enough time and practice, you'll find a rhythm that works for you that allows you to get exactly what you want from it. You get 6,800 RPM cutting speed and a 2.5-hour runtime on a full charge. Another bonus feature is that this clipper comes with premium guards, which is personally my favorite because they are more sturdy and not as flexible as the standard ones. So there you have it, the BaBylissPRO FXONE Gold Series cutting this skin fade crop. These tools are designed not to just perform, but to transform the way you work. They're user-friendly, efficient, and a worthy investment for any barber or hairstylist. I hope this gives you a glimpse of how these tools can elevate your craft. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. All the tool information will be listed below in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.